Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to fix Chevy Traverse radio. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin to protect electronics. Start by removing trim panels with a plastic pry tool and keep track of every screw. Inspect connectors for corrosion and secure antenna connections. If a fuse is blown, replace with the exact amp rating and test power before full reassembly to avoid repeating steps. Begin by verifying power is reaching the head unit with a reliable multimeter set to 12V. Remove the radio and test the constant and switched power wires while the key is on. Inspect the ground connection and clean any rust or paint that could impede contact. Confirm the antenna has continuity and check speaker outputs for shorts. Replace faulty wiring or connectors and recheck operation before finishing reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more repair content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals in low light and waiting in the shop, with a comfy display and long battery life. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check prices and options. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If audio stutters or features fail, perform a soft reset by disconnecting battery power briefly and then rebooting the system. Check for firmware updates from the manufacturer or dealer that address known bugs. Inspect speakers, amplifier module, and wiring for signs of damage or water intrusion. Swap in a known good speaker to isolate issues, and consider a professional diagnostic if the amplifier board shows electrical failure or burnt components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.